So friends, yesterday we have done first and second, मतलब last time we have finished 2.1 and 2.2 illustration. So 2.3 is theoretical and that one will be solved when we meet face to face. So now today I am going to explain about 2.2. Illustration 2.4. I am going to explain the question. Four charges are arranged at the corner of a square ABCD of side D as shown in figure 2.15. Find the work required to put together this arrangement. Second one, a charge Q0 is brought to the center E of the square. The four charges being held fixed at the center. How much extra work is needed to do this? That means first of all we have to make arrangement. Okay. So how much work is needed? Okay, and then after we have to find out that how much work is needed extra to bring a charge Q0 at the center. Okay, so I am going to explain the whole question over here. See friends, first of all we have a square and that is named ABCD and each side is of D. See, first of all, here I have a right angle triangle that is ABC. So this distance DD. So by the rule of Pythagoras theorem, AC is root 2D. Same as if I am drawing like this is another right angle triangle BCD. These distances are root 2D. DD, so it is root 2D. Because these distances are needed when we will move forward in this example. Okay, so now I am going to start. First of all, here you are bringing charge plus Q from infinite distance. Okay, so you are bringing a charge plus Q from infinite distance. So what will happen? See friends, initially there isn't any electric field is present. Initially there isn't any electric field present, so there isn't any work is done. Okay, so first of all, when you are bringing the charge plus Q at A, so you no need to do any work. But now here plus Q is present. So the electric field due to this plus Q, if you are going to bring any other charge over here, first of all at point B, at point B, the potential due to plus Q charge is VB equal to KQ upon R. R, that is your D. Okay? So now this potential is present there at point B. Now in the presence of this VB, you are bringing minus Q charge from infinite distance. So now the work done for bringing minus Q charge at B is W2, and that is minus Q VB. It means minus Q and here KQ upon D. So minus KQ square upon D, this is your W2. This one is 1. Now you can see in this area, in this square, you have two charges. So now at point C, now the potential at point C, VC. You can see here, beta, U2 plus Q and U2 minus Q. It is KQ upon D minus KQ upon root 2D. Because the distance between A and C is root 2D. Sorry, here root 2D. And this one is D. From the negative charge, here positive charge and here negative charge. So the distance between positive charge and C is root 2D and negative charge is only D. So this is now here you are going to bring plus Q charge at C. So you have to do the work is like this. The work done for bringing plus Q charge at C, it is W3, and W3 is equal to plus Q inside, here it is VC, so plus Q in bracket KQ upon root 2D minus KQ upon D. So multiply this plus Q inside to KQ square upon root 2D minus KQ square upon D. This is W3. Okay, I think you got it. Number 3. Now you have three charges on the square. So due to these all three charges, the potential at D, now the potential at D, VD is equal to, first of all, here distance only D, KQ upon D minus here the distance root 2D and again the distance is only D, KQ upon D. So the work done, to bring minus Q charge at D is W now see, one more step, plus and plus. Here 2kq upon d minus kq upon root 2d. Because both are same and positive. So 2kq upon d minus root 2kq, kq upon root 2d. Now multiply this minus 2 inside. Minus 2kq square upon d, minus minus plus kq square upon root 2d. This is your W4. Now you got here plus minus 2 charge. So beta, now the total work done when you are bringing these whole 4 charges on the vertices of a square. So total work done for the system is W, and that is W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. First one is 0. Second one, W2 is minus kq square upon d. Then after W3, yes, it is here, plus kq square upon root 2d minus kq square upon d. Then after minus 2kq square upon d plus kq square upon root 2d. So friends, 1 and 2 times, both are positive. So 2kq square upon root 2d, and here 4 times kq square upon d. 1, 2, 3 and 1 is 4. So now take out common all the vectors what are the same. Here 1 upon root 2 minus here 2 is there upon 1. So multiply this one, 2kq square upon d in bracket 1 minus 2 root 2 upon root 2. So this is answer. अगर आगे अटकी जाओ तो कोई वांधो नहीं, पर अगर વધારે પ્રોસેસ કરવી હોય તો √2 વડે ઉપર નીચે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. W is equal to 2kq square upon d. Here √2 into √2 and √2, 1 minus 2 √2. So what will happen? 2kq square upon d, √2 minus 2 into 2, because √2 into √2 cut, here 2, √2 cut. So kq square upon d in bracket minus 4. This is also your answer. Sometimes, suppose this question is asked in JEE or NEET, you need to do some extra efforts like this. Okay, so this example is very long, so please friends, try yourself again, and today I am going to give you some homework. First one, 2 microcoulomb and 3 microcoulomb charges are at point P with distance 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. Find the total resultant potential at P. You have to work done like V1 and V2. This is your Q1 and this is your Q2. This is R1 and R2. Find out. Second one, exercise. From the exercise 2.1, it is related electrician 2.2. Try it yourself. Try it by yourself, please. And if you find any kind of query, then contact me. Okay, I'm going to send you the photo.